Why is it so difficult to complete the bucket list I made in December 2024? I thought I was living the best life, enjoying every moment. But somewhere in between, I completely lost direction. And I didn't even realize it until it was too late. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Simran, and if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for joining in. And if you're my old subscribers, thank you for your support. This feels so good to say this after so many years. It's been 4 years since I started this channel. The young Simran who started this channel had different kind of spark and shine in her eyes. The Simran between these 4 years, I think she lost somewhere. But the Simran standing in 2026 is much stronger, better, and focused. I already love this Simran. It's already 2026 and it's high time to complete my bucket list, which I made in November or December 2024, and it's already 2026 and I haven't completed it. Recently, I learned that if you want to achieve a goal in your life, especially when it comes to your personal growth or a discipline, one must always start with one thing at a time. I have tried doing multitasking, that I want to do YouTube, I want to do college, I want to do makeup, I want to do everything, but it doesn't work like that. If I want to start my YouTube journey again, I have to focus on this. I have to give at least a week in a month to work on this. First come first, let's start with the hardest part. I have decided that I'll be posting 5 videos before my birthday. And from today, it's exactly 3 months for my birthday. So let's work on it. I'm just waiting how the happiness which I'll feel after achieving this. So goal for 2026. This is not gonna be a bucket list which I'll discuss right now. It's gonna be the goal for 2026. And first come first, this year is gonna be my year. Second, stay healthy. I really wanna stay healthy for my future Simran and make less hospital visits. Second, this is something that I have to do it any which ways. Complete your task. Be disciplined. I have to get this thing in myself that I have to stick to my words. I have to complete what I started. I know I started this channel 4 years ago. I left it in between, which I don't appreciate on my side, but from here onwards, I'll make sure to take it ahead with me. Second, I have to read 5 books before this year end. I'm very bad at reading, but this year I have to read 5 books. I have already completed 1 book, so I have 4 books to read more. I have started with the second book, which is a good start, I believe. And what's next? Exercising daily. YouTube and exercise is something similar in my life that I have been on and off. But this year, no chance. I have been consistent with the exercises. I know there have been times where I was not going to gym or doing exercise, but that was because of the hospital thing, and I think that's understandable. But other than that, I'm doing good. The feeling which I get after doing exercise, I really want it throughout my life. So this is the main reason that I want it in my life, and I'm gonna be consistent about this. Last but not the least, enjoy 2026. I'm so sure that 2026 is gonna be my year. And if you guys can relate to it, I'm so sure that it's gonna be your year as well. So let's make it our year. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel and comment. Also share this video, and I'll see you in the next video.